Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring Apple Wallet holds your card and billing address. This lets Depop read payment options instantly. Once done, open Depop, go to Settings, then Payments to enable Apple Pay. Toggle it on so it appears at checkout. Now test with a low-cost purchase or an item you plan to buy. During the checkout flow, choose Apple Pay as the payment method. This initial setup links your identity and funding source, so payments authorize smoothly and avoid failed transactions. You review the full order total, item price, shipping, and Depop fees so there are no surprises. Next, when you tap Apple Pay, the Apple Pay sheet appears. Make sure the correct card, billing address, and shipping address are selected. Then authorize using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. This step confirms both payment and identity. After authorization, keep an eye for Depop's confirmation and receipt. If you need a different card, cancel and choose it in Wallet before retrying to prevent double charges. You finish by confirming the Depop order confirmation and watching for the seller's shipping notification. That completes the sales cycle. If a payment fails, first check Apple Wallet for the selected card status, recent limits, or required verification. Then make sure you have a stable internet connection and enough available funds. If problems persist, contact your bank to verify card authorization, and then reach out to Depop support with the transaction ID. This one troubleshooting tip: verify the wallet card and connection, solves most declines.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.